Hello everyone, this is part 2 of my install. So I took the scarf off and testing it. The bowl hole really holds. I really like bowl hole, but I'm telling you, if you put that bowl hole on, if you hot, you sweating, that bowl hole will come out. It will turn out white. So you have to make sure your head is completely dry and your scalp is completely dry before installing, or it will turn white. But once it dries completely, it'll turn clear. So now I'm just styling it. So I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. I'm just gonna finish the install, and then I'll come back on the end. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you very much.